welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, if you are searching for a video related to the content that I'm about to dish out and you came across this video, thank you very much for choosing this one, and it is my honor to welcome you on my channel. I'm Soloko Ushu, and on today's video we are doing I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your Faux locks. I realized that the Faux locks or butterfly Faux locks are the new thing, or the new in hairstyle that is currently trending. So I decided, you know what, I'm also going to get the hairstyle, and after that I'm going to show you guys how to style it, because sometimes you get the hairstyle, you know, you do the hairstyle and then you're like, okay, so now what? Well, I am here to come to the rescue. Today we are styling the Faux locks. Let's get into the video. So the very first hairstyle that you're going to be doing is an easy one. So you just take your Faux locks, separate them like this to the side, to whichever side is your beauty side. So this is my beauty side. So I have another mirror on the side, that's why you see me looking or referring to the side. So you're gonna place them like this. This is an easy one. My really go-to hairstyle if I'm in a rush. I'm just gonna move them to the side and voila. And the second hairstyle, we're going to take a small portion of the Faux in the middle like this, and then you're going to take your ribbon and tie them like this. After tying them, you can move it to this side like this, or you can just take it to the other side if you like. And the third hairstyle is almost the same. Yes, you can do this, just a bun like this. You can use rubber bands to secure your bun, but I don't have any at the moment, so you can use them. This is how it's gonna be looking. This is your third hairstyle. And your fourth hairstyle, this is the fourth hairstyle, right? It's almost the same as the second hairstyle, but you're just gonna take a little bit more, as if you're taking all the hair in the front like this. Gonna take all your locks in the front. To take our ribbon again, this one, and then we're going to tie them up. Having to do this with long nails is a mission and a half, but we move and make it work, right? And then this is how it's going to look like, right? Ooh, am I getting all whoopee vibes? Or what? Are we getting all whoopee? Like, are you guys feeling this hairstyle, guys, as much as I'm feeling it? You know, I feel like I'm only warming up to this hairstyle now rather than earlier when I heard it for the first time. I was like, I'm not sure, but I really am warming up to it. After you've had your hair like this, just to add a little bit of tweak to it, you can just remove 2 headsets. That's what they call them, right? 2 of them, another one here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, almost broke it. So this is how you are going to be looking like, and everything else you move it to the back. The wow factor here is these headsets, right? So this is your next hairstyle. I've lost count. I just do a bun with these ones, right, like this. Ooh, honey. Ooh, I'm loving this hairstyle. Like, I mean, we're looking all soft. Or you can just move this hair to the front also, and it's still gonna look proper, isn't it? Is it not looking proper, guys? I'm gonna separate them in the middle like this. After separating them, I'm gonna take just a little bit like this, maybe like, okay, for 8 of them like this. You're going to leave your headset here, and then yeah, we are going to make the buns like this. I don't know why it seems so difficult to do it now. When I was practicing earlier on, it seemed easy, but now we are here and I'm kind of struggling to secure it. But it's easier if you have like rubber bands to assist. I'm still gonna do the same on the side also, as you can see, and I need to leave my headsets out. We're taking this one, and then we are going to secure them first. Oops. Yay! I don't know if it looks as nice as it looks on the other mirror on camera, but this bun looks bigger than the other one. What's going on? Let's fix it, right? Ooh, I like this hairstyle. I saw it from Bitumelo the other day. She did the same hairstyle, so I was like, oh, this is something to really try. It's really nice. I like it. If you want to wear a very funky outfit, or you're going to a party, or if you want to look chilled and cute, this is the hairstyle to go for. Then if you want to remove the headsets, you can just do this, and then you have yourself another hairstyle, isn't it? This is another way you can try it out. Back to the basics. We're going back to the basics. From here, if you want to try a very easy one again, your beauty sites, you gotta separate them like this, but this time we're adding a bit of volume, like this, and then you take it to the back like this with our ribbon. Do the same on the side, and then you tie them up. Isn't this chilled? This is so nice and chilled if you're going to work and you want to do something classy and nice. So yeah, this is how you can style your... Oh, another one. They keep popping. A very easy one also. The one that they did on my hair when I left the salon was this one. Just leaving them loose like this. This is just one of the easy ones, if you just want to be chilled and look cute, like or you can just tie them up like this, a full half up, half down, one like this. You see, I took most of the hair in the front, right? Unlike earlier on when I only took a certain portion. And you can do this, guys. Yo, look at this. Look at this, guys. Isn't it nice? Or you can tie all of them. I don't know if that is going to be possible. The nails are coming in handy now because I need all the help I can get in the world. Alright, I think I'm just going to tie it once, and then you can just let's pull them to the front a bit. Or you can move them to this side like this. Are we not cute? Are we not slaying? You can take them to the back like this and tie the ends. Put them inside. The ribbon like this to give it a bit of, you know, class. Ooh, I think this is my favorite. I think this is my ultimate favorite, guys. Can you see it? Ooh, honey, look at this. How did I come up with this? It was not part of the play or the hairstyles that I had in mind. This video was very helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back, and until next time, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to switch on the notification bell, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a questions, any suggestion, and you want to share some love, please leave it in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time.